Hi all, welcome back. Today is 6th January 2023 and today we have seen a lot of selling pressure in many of the stocks uh, in all the sectors. Almost all the sectors have seen a selling pressure today, and during end of the day there was some sort of recovery from that selling, and some buying was happened during end of the day. I mean, from last 1.5 hour, some sort of recovery has happened. Okay. And today in this video, I want to explain you about the Ambuja Cement Limited intraday price action. Okay. The topic which I want to mean the strategy or the price action analysis that I want to explain you in this video has happened, or similar kind of behavior has happened in many of the stocks today. So instead of going through all the stocks, I have picked this Ambuja Cement only, so that you can go through other stocks also, check other intraday price actions also, so that you can compare what we are discussing in this video and what we have observed in that other charts price action. I hope almost most of them will be somewhat similar to it, but not exactly, somewhat a similar kind of behavior, and then a selling has happened. Okay, so let us try to analyze what has happened in the Ambuja Cement today. Okay, and we are on the chart only, mean on the chart 5-minute time frame chart, and here I have plotted one a support level. Okay, the key support or a support level where Ambuja Cement stock is taking support in the on the 30th December or 2nd Jan and 1st Jan, 3rd Jan. So these 3 days it has taken the support above that level, and on 4th Jan also it took some support, but unfortunately on the same day it fell down. And on 5th January there was some attempt to break that level, but it failed on that day. But end of the day they managed to go above that. And today, let us see what we are, let us discuss about that. And what we are observing, which is very clear, that this level, whatever we have plotted now, that is coming around 523 rupees. So this level is very important level, because it is giving support when the price is staying above there, or it is giving resistance when the price is trading below it. Okay, now let us go to the intraday price action of today. So I'm zooming it here so that you can clearly see the price action. So initially, first 5-minute candle, what happened? This is the first 5-minute candle. Okay, it fell down and it went up and it fell down, and then on it was trying to come down, but they are not allowing. The buyers are not allowing here. So let me zoom more so that you can clearly see the each candle price action. So this is the first 5-minute candle. So what happens here is, this is the first 5-minute candle range, and it went up to this point and it took support immediately at that level. And what is happening during the day? So there was some buying has happened, but there is no clear clue for the buyers, because none of the candle is closing above the previous candle highs. So no clue for the buyers. And there is a spike below the body of the candle here at 9:30 a.m. So here what happens is, most of the intraday traders may have taken their sell position in this particular candle, and they might have kept their stop loss just above the day high at that point of time, or simply a 5-minute candle high. Again, it started coming down. So what happens in this particular zone is, so whoever has taken a sell position here, most of them will be adding their quantity also, because this is the second attempt of selling here, and it also made a clear lower low, because this is the higher low for the day and this is the lower low for the day. So all the sellers who have taken the position are safe here, because the buyers did not able to go above the 5-minute candle high, or they did not able to kill the sellers who have entered the position here. So when the second wave of selling is happening, this place will be the place where many of the new, I mean, those who have not taken the position, sell position also will be taking their position. Along with that, some of the sellers who have already entered here would be averaging or would be adding their quantity also, because expecting that there is a more confidence this time, because it has made lower low, lower high, and then again falling down. But unfortunately, it did not go below the last support it has taken. So all the sellers who have taken the sell position in this point and in this point should be coming out of their position. If we are seeing that second attempt of selling is not closing below this small support. So if they haven't come out of the position, you can see a one candle, this is a 1035 candle, it immediately shooted up and it went above the 5-minute candle high. So that means they are tried, they killed all the sellers who are taken the position and who are still open in the position. So this is what happened. So what with this move, all the sellers who are open or who are active in their positions are killed off, right? But again, buyers did not get the clear clue here. Again, it's falling down. Okay, so what happens here? There is again a selling pressure here. Two times of selling happened here again. One is this one and another one is this one. Similar kind of behavior. Two times of selling, and third time, immediately they shooted up and they killed these two legs of sellers, right? Again, there are two legs of sellers here. Again, they have given almost similar kind of candle at 1140, almost showing that we are again about to kill the sellers who are keeping the stop losses just above this point. So those who have not taken any sell positions here or still are looking for the option to take the buy, any trade, either buying or selling, this would be trapping them to take a buy position, because if you compare the price action again, two legs of selling has happened. Immediately they shooted up and they killed all the sellers. Again, two legs of selling has happened. They have shown that it is almost about to kill it, and this 1140 candle is also went almost closer to that 5-minute range candle, but it did not even touch to it. There was second attempt of buying also here, but that failed. So this itself is a clue for the buyers who have taken the position expecting the target here, because second wave of buying is again failed here. Assume if the buyers are still confident in their position and they are looking that price may come up to this point, if they're still open here, you see the way they fell down. So point here is, which we want to highlight or which we want to note it down here is, one point is, if you have taken a sell position, assume if you have taken a sell position, when the second leg of selling is happening, then it should close below the previous selling level. Or if you have taken a buy position here, then the second leg of buying is happening, it should go above and close it. If those two are not happening, don't be in your position. Even if you have, if you have unknowingly or unintentionally have taken the position also, you come out of your position. If you stay in that position, see how the sellers got killed off and how the buyers got killed off here. And also the manipulators or the market makers, they want to bring the price down actually. That's the reason there was a market-wide selling. All the stocks are under selling pressure only. But instead of coming directly to the downwards, okay, they don't want to make the price come down directly or straightforward fall to be happening, because if that happens, then there will not be any liquidity available for the manipulators. So for that, what they have done, they have initially gave a hint, or they have made a normal trader to take the profit in buying side. Okay, so they showed that buyers are really strong, that whenever there is a selling is happening and if there is a good grid candle, there is a chance of going up. That is what they have shown initially. And the second time they again showed it is happening almost similar to it. But what they did here is they trapped as many buyers as possible in this particular zone. And from there on, they started shooting down. So this is what the manipulators mindset they don't want to bring the price down immediately or continuously. They want some sort of trap should be happen, so that new traders will be getting trapped. Mainly intraday traders will be getting trapped. So they want to get some traps, and so that trap will create some sort of liquidity or stop loss orders will be getting created below the supports or below the zones that they during the day is trading, so that they can come down and kill all the body. So this is what the type of trading will be happening in the intraday. So that means every day, sometimes you might be seeing that in 5 minute time frame also, you will be seeing that price is falling continuously down. But don't think about taking the positions at that point of time immediately. Or if you see the price is continuously going up, don't think about taking the buy position there, because we don't know at what point of time sellers will come or make the change or make the sudden reverse from there, right? So look for the good traps only. You should also be in the you should also think as you are making a manipulation. If you think in that way, if you are able to, if you have to make a manipulation here, what kind of thinking you will do, you do in that way. You try to imagine what the big players are thinking in their mind and what kind of traps they can do, and then only you can understand the movement completely, so that you can be away from those kind of traps. Okay, so in this example, this is the buying trap, very strong buying trap, because first half of the day they gave a clue, or they showed that buyers are really strong to kill the sellers. Second time, they made the buyers to trap in that kind of opinion, and immediately they shoot it down. And this is the kind of behavior, if not exactly similar kind of behavior, has happened in many of the stocks today. So if you have time, or if you want to spend some time tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday, go through all the stocks intraday price action. I hope you will find this kind of example in many places, and you can also get some experience, and you can also practice in that way to read the intraday price action. Okay, so I hope this explanation is very much helpful for you and for your analysis going forward. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. Bye.